This walnut blueberry cheesecake mini skillet buckle has a moist and tender blueberry whiskey crumb with a rich cream cheese swirl inside a buttery walnut crunch and is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. The walnut streusel, cream cheese ribbon, and blueberry cake batter are made separately. To make the walnut streusel, use a small bowl to mix 10 grams chopped walnuts with 10 grams brown sugar, 10 grams cold butter, and 10 grams flour until crumbly. To make the cream cheese ribbon, cream together 25 grams room temperature cream cheese with 5 grams of icing sugar until smooth. In another small bowl, make the blueberry cake batter. Use a fork to mash 35 grams blueberries with 20 grams melted butter, 15 grams brown sugar, 5 grams Canadian whiskey, and an egg yolk. Fold in 1/8 of a teaspoon cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 25 grams all-purpose flour. Spread the batter evenly into a buttered skillet. Cover the batter with the cream cheese ribbon, then top with walnut streusel and bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 25 minutes. The walnut blueberry cheesecake buckle is done when a toothpick test comes out clean. Let the buckle cool for at least 10 minutes before molding and serve with a scoop of ice cream.